Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Site Visits and Inspection. Hopefully you are all fine today. Friends, I came here with the new topic. You can see here contractor called me for the inspection of plaster, and they fixed the button mark for the plaster. You can see here they fixed the leveling pegs for the plaster, top and bottom. I inspected, this is okay, but there is the procedure I will brief for your information. And first I will brief regarding that plaster in because our plaster in every project or any room, if we are doing the plaster should be in the right angle. Mean it should be in the gunya. You can say in Hindi or Urdu, it should be in the gunya or right angle. Why it should be in right angle? Because floor tiles, and if there is any wall tile, if the plaster will not in the right angle, the tiles layout will be disturbed. And here I checked the plaster pegs. The plaster pegs are in the right angle, and here you can see. First of all, what we did, we fixed two nylon rope in x-axis and y-axis. Here you can see the blue nylon ropes. You can see, sorry, this is the blue and this is the red. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And here you can see we put this steel right angle, and there is no margin. This is 100% correct, you can see. And now I will shortly brief you how we did. And for your information, in the internal plaster thickness we provide here 15 mm. Means here you can see this is 15 mm from wall to the top surface of the plaster will be this one, and this is 15 mm. Everywhere in the room they provided the button marks, you can see in the bottom and top. And now we will check the further detail what we did. First of all, check this one. Check from here, we will check from wall to this nylon roof. This is, you can see, 2 meter and 15 mm. And when we will check from top of button mark and here is 2 meter, mean the margin is 15 mm for the plaster. Okay, this side, and now we will check that side also. First of all, we will check from the block work, put on block work, and here is same 2 meter 15 mm. Okay, and now we will check this y-axis, this one. Here we can provide 2 meter, but the room size is very small. That's why we put here 1 meter from the block to this nylon roof, 1 meter 175 milli. You can see here. Okay, when we will put on this this button mark, here the distance will be reduced, mean 170. It means the thickness of plaster is 15 mm. We provided, as you aware. Here you can see. Okay, and that side also we will check. From block work to nylon roof, it should be 1 meter 70 and 5 milli. This is approximately, this is correct. Okay, now we will, because x and y axis both sides the dimensions are same here, that's why the right angle is correct. You can see this is the steel right angle. Okay, now I will check through 3, 4 and 5. This is the Pythagoras theorem which we studied in 8th class. This is 3 feet. This is the perpendicular, you can see. And now we will check that side. I mean, this is base of right angle. This is 4 feet. You can see this is 4 feet. And now hypotenuse should be, mean width will be 5 feet. Here you can see this is 5 feet. That's why I will say this inspection will be approved, because the button marks are are in right angle and according to the methods. Here you can see, prior to plaster they called me for the inspection and they fixed the button marks. Here you can see that's I now to stick that 40, that aluminum scale we will check also in the level. Then they provided this button mark in the top and bottom. Now we can check through plumb bob also and separate level also, separate level gauge here. Yes, he is here, you can see. Now it should be perpendicular in the level. Here you can see, they put both top and bottom button mark, and this vertical level should be in the center. Here you can see this is in the center. It means this is cracked. Now put that side. Here they are keeping here now. Here you can see the top button mark and bottom button mark, and the margin of this plaster is 15 mm. Where is the tape? Take tape.
Meter.
Here you can see this is in the center, minor 1 mm is difference, but this is acceptable. And now we will check the thickness of plaster here. See, this is 1 cm and 5 mm, mean 15 mm that we provided, and allowable thickness of plaster. Now that side, here we will check, and I will finish this. See, they kept this bottom button mark and top, and the level is in the center. Here clearly you can see. Okay, now check this thickness. Here you can see, yes, this is 15 mm. That I told in the beginning of the video. We allow the thickness, internal thickness plaster is 15 mm. Okay friends, this is the procedure for the plaster. How we can fix the button mark in right angle. I think this is very easy and useful for all of you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Bye bye.